Hi guys, it's DK388 and today we've got another DIY video where we're going to be swapping out the drive light or porch light at the front of the house. So before we start any work, we just turn the electric off, and then there's two grub screws to remove the existing one and then see what sort of creepy crawlies we can find behind this. Nice set of cobwebs. So disconnected the fitting from the wiring, just uses some connector blocks, that's all it is, and also put a gunk of silicone in the bricks just to make it weather tight. I got this lamp from Screwfix, it's about £40. It comes with a glass lens and metal body. It's quite compact, so we just get that offered up, and it's got a grommet as well, so hopefully make it a bit more ingress proof. So I'm going to reuse as many of the fittings I can. I think there's one fittings I can reuse, and I might have to drill a new one on the bottom right. As you can see, it's got a grommet to keep any weather tightness, and also drilling a new hole. I'm keeping the brick dust, and then I'm going to patch the existing roll plugs to make good. As you can see here, just use a bit of silicone and just sprinkle the dust on, just to make it blend it into the existing brick, so you wouldn't know there's a hole there. So this is the new fitting, so we've just got to connect the two. So I didn't realise I reconnected the connection block in error, but as you can see it's already got one, so I just need to remove that and then just fit it direct into the lamp fitting. So this is what I've done now, and then it's just a case of pushing it back. It's also got like a rubber gasket, so that will help with any ingress again, any insects and all that, and water. And unlike the previous one, these come with bulbs that you could change, so they don't come with any, but you have to buy them separate. So put the bulbs in, put your O-ring in, and then just slowly attach the glass lens, which seems to be like good quality. And then you just do that top and bottom. I've already done the bottom, and then we can just power it up. Downstairs light, and it should show the lights. And this is the sensor, the PIR sensor, and then it's got some settings you can just turn and adjust. I think it's range, sensitivity, and a timer. Just a little bit of a instruction book here as well of the that comes with, and this is the existing fitting. It's about 5 years old, and you can see all the plastic lens is all yellow, a bit worn, it's a bit of rust. And the problem with this one is that I'll have to change it, is you can't change the bulb themselves. Once the bulb is gone, the bulb is hardwired into the fitting, so you have to change the entire fitting. So that's a bit of a downer. As you can see, I've taken the lens off, but there's no way to remove the bulb. It's all wired in, so unfortunately it's got to be removed and replaced, and that will go into the recycling centre. So I hope you found this useful. Obviously, thanks for watching, and yeah, see you on the next one.